Hey everyone, the dog days are over for Shiba Inu. Now begins the big growth stage for SHIB. What's happening, everyone? Thank you so much for dropping a like. It makes me excited to think about the whole ecosystem in about 1 to 2 years. I can just see every coin we have thriving with a good purpose. And after all, people who stayed in the beginning flourishing with staked rewards because we have a huge share of the pool. When I see Shiba, I see a bright future. Now, positivity is the best way to stay on track on you, my man. I love this swap, don't care about all the FUD or transaction fees. Slowly building passive income here for the future. 3, 5, 10 years could be huge for holders. Now, I do bring you some excellent news today. Now, bye-bye Bone, moving all my Bone to SHIB. Seems like a lot of people are really bullish on SHIB nowadays because we do have some bullish indicators and something that made an institution invest $1 million into Shiba Inu. Now, that's a lot of money. This $1 million can set you for life. For an institution, it's just a small amount of money to get more money, obviously putting it into Shiba Inu, but found some SHIB on the moon, gonna mint it soon. Do you like it? And like, this is so beautiful. I simply love this. This is really, really nice from what I'm seeing so far. But if we check over here, meme stolen from 2025, Shiba token, and there's Tether, which is priced at $1. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same pictures. You know, Shiba Inu basically being at $1 in 2025. Even if it's 1/3 of a cent, I'm still happy. But hopefully this happens. Hopefully that's the time traveler. But there's another person actually seriously bullish on SHIB as far as I understood, and this is another celebrity stepping into cryptocurrency. Hey Harper, I think you and Satoshi Kusuma would be best friends. Shiba Inu art, rumors floating around. You all are wild, and it seems like, you know, another celebrity going in for SHIB. But SHIB for plus 4 million for the year so far, and we can see here Shiba Inu the most massive gainer. I don't think there's going to be ever such a big gainer for a long time. The only one I can think of is Axie Infinity, and if we had our own NFT game, imagine the strong growth. I would love that. And this is attractive because we show these numbers off at 1 year, 6 months, 1 month. Keep showing off these great numbers. We look good right now. SHIB is still down 63% over the last 90 days, which is a large, of users bought it. So maybe don't show that number, but obviously being still 63% down, a lot of people still made a lot of money, especially those that bought during the dip. SHIB is now growing. As the dog days are over, every dog had its day. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu fetch 50% gains as altcoins rally. New use cases and a massive token burn signal that the dog days of summer could be over for Doge and SHIB. And SHIB is finally getting the burn. Like, we have been asking this for 3-4 months so much, and now it's coming back stronger than ever. Momentum in the wider cryptocurrency market appears to be on the upswing this week after bulls pushed Bitcoin price to 46,000. The growing optimism has also transferred into bounce in a dog-themed meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which have both dropped by 55%, or actually rallied by 55%. Dog-themed meme coins caught fire earlier in the year after Dogecoin became the altcoin of choice for influencers like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin further rocked the boat on May 14 when he liquidated trillions of SHIB tokens and donated the proceeds to charity. At the time, investors viewed this as a fair bullish validation, but both projects have been in a rut since the Bitcoin-led market crash that took place on May 19. Now, Dogecoin's trend reversal began on July 20th. Obviously, we have so much analytics over here, but Dogecoin grows and, also Shiba Inu grows as well. Now, Shiba Inu developers implement a token burn. Finally, we're going to be seeing different stages of token burn. We do have different things. This is what happened, a week, 2 ago. Ryoshi, super bullish on this one. I obviously, keep shilling Ryoshi for free. But that's how it is. The token burn aims to reduce the circulating supply of SHIB and the protocol's Doge Killer leash. In conjunction with the Perlin and Ryoshi token on ShibaSwap, 25,000 worth of SHIB and leash was burned. So according to the Shiba Inu website, the current circulating supply of leash is 170k tokens, with an estimated supply of SHIB is 400 billion. So we still have a long way to go, But this is definitely the not right step, as more and more countries are turning very green on crypto, very bullish. While Iran's tax authority wants to legalize crypto exchanges, the Iranian tax agency has called for establishing a legal framework for crypto trading platforms so they can be taxed properly. Finally, it's happening, and they are going to be taxing them. And a lot of these countries want to tax things because they profit. But if they profit, they push out crypto. For example, think of anything illegal that the country is not taxing. Do they promote it? Of course not. There's no tax in it. It does not generate revenue for the country. But they do push out all the legal things that are taxable from what we can see so far. So taxation is good. Yes, while your crypto gets taxed, we can all expect that. Tax on capital gains, fixed base tax, and occupational tax are three tax regimes on crypto trading platforms proposed by NTA. And decentralized finance also made its way into the proposal, according to the sources. So the proposal wants to establish an upper limit on transactions occurring on decentralized exchanges. They're doing their own thing. They're taxing, but converting one cryptocurrency to another is not illegal either. But the current law only allows banks and licensed exchanges to use digital currencies mined in Iran to pay for imports, while crypto cannot be used for payments within the country. It's, not allowed. But police also seized a lot of mining rigs. So hopefully they slowly but surely start implementing crypto, as traders are now preparing for an altcoin season. And this is very bullish for SHIB. An altcoin season is what we need. Uniswap has generated more than 1 billion in the fees for liquidity providers. More than 1 billion in fees has generated on Shiba Swap's liquidity provider since its November 2018 launch. And that's really, really awesome. Hopefully Shiba Swap catches up. But the analysts say Bitcoin price needed a breather before chasing new highs. So maybe we're seeing a correction, but that's completely fine. If we see a correction, then we're going to be seeing those bulls coming back, those big institutions coming stronger than ever and investing into SHIB, because now they can with Coinbase custody. Now, if you didn't know, SHIB was listed on Coinbase custody. And when it's listed, I'm super bullish on that, because that means big companies can invest into SHIB. Now, bulls are just taking a breather before pushing higher. 45K has been a solid price support level in the past. So it's definitely, the crypto is not going anywhere. And this is the stages where we're seeing that massive growth for crypto. For example, crypto is only growing more and more now. We are seeing a legal tender. We're legit seeing a legal tender in September in another country. Nobody expected that for Bitcoin back in 2009, and the adoption is already happening. The next step for Bitcoin is hitting 100,000, then 150,000, then 200,000. So there's so much happening in the crypto space right now between ECNI project running in China and so forth. So approval incoming, Valkyrie becomes fourth firm to apply for a Bitcoin future ETF. So ETFs are growing, and if they get approved, that is a lot of money coming in from institutions and from the mainstream investors. Asset managers appear hopeful that the SEC will be more open to Bitcoin ETFs tied to future contracts that are focused on the spot market. So given these important protections, I look forward to the staff review of such filings, particularly if those are limited to the CME traded Bitcoin futures. So if we check over here, DPS wins regulatory approval in Singapore for crypto payment services. So starting next Monday, DBS crypto exchange will start operating, allowing institutional investors to trade Bitcoin. Again, bullish news. They have actually expanded its scope of supported cryptocurrency services by scoring another regulatory approval. More exchanges offering more Bitcoin investing to institutions. Now that is big. That is a very positive news in Singapore. So DBS, once again, another bank offering Bitcoin, and every single week we hear more and more banks coming in. And the people investing into these banks, they invest a lot of money. So I'm super happy for that. Hopefully we see even more in the future. But DBS Bank has been actively extending its range of supported digital asset related services after setting up a crypto exchange last December. In May, DBS Private Bank launched a crypto trust solution via its fully trusted company DBS Trustee and so forth and so forth. But 55% of the world's top 100 banks reportedly have crypto and blockchain exposure. Over half of the 100 largest banks by asset under management are reportedly investors in major crypto and blockchain technology based companies and projects. So banks are coming in to invest into cryptocurrencies. So this is really, really bullish. For example, JP Morgan and BNP Paribas also identified as a serial investor in the emerging space. All of these banks, who have been back in 2015 super keen on not investing, are now in 2021 buying in, investing. At 58 billion at the time of writing, Coinbase sits on the valuation almost half that of Goldman Sachs, the 13th largest bank in the world, despite employing only about 4% of the latter's workforce. So it seems like banks investing into crypto is surely a bullish sign for both SHIB and Bitcoin. Skyrocketing profits of cryptocurrency startups, regulatory advancements, and increasing demand among bank customers for exposure to digital assets. This is really, really awesome news. As more people are investing into crypto, faster, stronger, and bigger money is pouring in. Like a huge amount of money is pouring into SHIB and crypto. The time to grow is now, SHIB. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super hyped. And until next time, peace, everyone.